What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing today? Myself and the wifey on the back. We out here riding around. We're about to go find a little spot so I can show off my 2018 GSX S750 prototype Impactech cage and subcage. Say that 10 times fast. First off, I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers. There's quite a few of you, so I want to say I appreciate it. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell down below as well so you get notified. And that goes for everyone that already watches the channel. Basically, we do a lot of bike stuff, motorcycle related stuff, moto vlogs. We go to bike meetups, we go to like bike shows, we do install videos, basically all bike related, where I ride around on my GSX 2018 GSX S750 and my 2014 Daytona 675. We do some test rides here and there and have a lot of fun, so stick around. Anyways, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which I'll place down below, you guys already know that I have a 2018 GSX S750 that I worked with Impaktech on. Actually just got lucky, worked with them to put in a cage and a sub cage on my bike. Not only did I get to get it installed for free, get the first one for my bike, my year, my model, but I got to pick the color I want, and man, it looks good. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that, and then we'll talk about it. Alright, so I definitely want to say a big shout out to the Impactech team, man. They absolutely killed it. Those guys are awesome. They're super cool to work with, and you know, I can't complain. I mean, I got this hooked up and they needed a bike to prototype for, and they let me use mine. So big shout out to you guys. If you guys need to get one, make sure to go hit them up. They are pretty much the best in the business from what I can tell. I mean, all the main guys use it. You got Tony Carvajal, Jason Britton, all those guys rocking these things. So a lot of you guys are gonna ask why I even put it on the bike. Well, first of all, it was free, so I'm not gonna, I mean, let's be honest, it's free. Secondly, eventually this one over here, right here, she's gonna learn to ride on it. So it's perfect to learn to ride with, so she could drop it, not worry about it, protected, right? So yeah, so that's the second thing. And I mean, maybe, don't look at her, but maybe I do want to learn a wheelie a little bit and have a little bit of fun with it. Now it's the perfect setup to do it. I do have the Impaktech 2-finger shorty lever that I'm gonna be installing, but that's gonna be a separate video. And but yeah, it's the same color, candy gold, but actually it's gonna be this color gold. So one of the goals while working with these guys was to match the forks, right? I wanted the forks to add, you know, and give a little accent to the bike, because there's a lot of red and black. So he did say that red would look good on here, but man, I just had to push for the gold. I think the gold was the way to go, and I'm glad I did it. As you'll notice that the gold back here is a little bit more metallic or more vibrant, and that's because these are aluminum versus straight like metal steel, I think. In order to get these to look like that, he said then these had to be chromed and then powder coated, which was like $300-400 or something like that. Since I was doing it for free, I didn't want to spend that, and I figured why not. It still looks freaking amazing. As you can tell, I really enjoy it. I think it adds a lot to the bike as far as the style and the look. It's definitely a looker. The bike already looked good, but now it just adds that little bit of extra, you know what I mean? And we all about being extra. As far as the crash frame, I believe they run about $390 to $400 depending on the bike, but you can take a look at Impact site, which I'll put here, which I think is impacttechusa.com. The Subcage, I believe, is about $300. I might be wrong. Again, check out their site if you want to actually figure out the right prices. But yeah, it should be up on their site already if you want to buy this cage for your GSX S750. If not, you probably just shoot them an email and they'll get them out to you. They're pretty cool guys to work with. So with that said, there she is. I've been waiting to make this video, and it's a perfect day to do it. So one of the cool things that I really like too, beyond like the cage and the sub cage, is since there's no fairings, I was kind of curious how all this was gonna work. And as you can see, he just basically built this bar that goes across the headers, and yeah, it adds, I don't know, I think it adds to it. It definitely looks badass. I apologize, she's a little dirty. I have been riding it around, so she's a little bit dirty, but that's all good. Anyway, so with that, hopefully you guys are interested. Go hit them up, they'll hook you up and get you taken care of. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I've been meaning to make this video for a while. Oh, shit, I'm in the way. I'm like blocking her. Anyways, this is the wifey. She came out. It's a little windy, so hopefully the audio comes out good and you guys don't have any problems hearing me. But with that said, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Again, all you guys that are new to my channel, appreciate it. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell down below. And hopefully you guys have a fantastic day, night, or whatever time it is you guys are watching this. Have a good one. Until next time, peace.